Hello. Have you ever had to hide your personal information in order to protect yourself from intruders? For example, hide the folder away somewhere on the computer, or archive it using a password, or buy a flash drive and carry it with you. Instead, you can encrypt information. Steganography and cryptography will help with this. The best and most effective solution is to use special soft, and we will talk about one of them, CryptoContainer. A CryptoContainer is an object which represents a piece of memory. This piece of memory is encrypted using cryptography and hidden using steganography. These containers are a sample of an encrypted disk, which when verified during the implementation of new virtual accumulation. Put simply, a CryptoContainer is an encrypted set of data, and if you want to hide the information from intruder on your computer, we need to create a CryptoContainer on your PC. To do this, you can download special software.
In the following work, a new volume is created in the system where you can put any data. And when the volume is unmounted, this data will be encrypted using your password. And when volume is mounted, it will again be available for working with files in it. Usually the CryptoContainer itself is also hidden so that it is not clear that it even exists. In simple terms, we have a box where we put everything that we want to hide, hang a lock on it, and carry the key with us. CryptoContainer with a double bottom. Then you need to come up with two passwords. The first password gives access to some unimportant data, and the second one to important data. The essence of such storage is that the intruder who received the first password and mounted the CryptoContainer will receive some data, but he will not suspect the existence of a second password, which opens access to more important information. Decryption of information without a password is impossible. Creating special utilities and computers that could crack an encrypted disk is inexpensive. Moreover, the effectiveness of this method is highly questionable. The only way to steal information is to intercept the password entered on a keyboard. Then you can use antivirus programs that provide the function of protecting from keylogin.
There are many programs that you can install on your PC. Today the best of them are TrueCrypt, VeraCrypt and Descriptor. But we will write our own CryptoContainer. More about that later. But how exactly is the data encrypted? Let's consider this using the example of the VeraCrypt program. The CryptoContainer encrypts the created volume completely using one of the user-selected encryption algorithms and a password. An interesting feature of VeraCrypt is key generation. To create, you need to move the cursor over the selected area for entropy. With the help of entropy, program will create master case in case if you forgot your password. Let's briefly describe how it is written and how it works. Now you can see our program. It will show how the CryptoContainer works. But unlike a real CryptoContainer, we will work inside some folder on a computer. To get started, we need to select the folder in which we keep the files with important information. Next, we must create a password with which our files will be encrypted and decrypted. We create a password and click on the Crypt button. Now all files in our folder are encrypted. We can open them easily, but we can view their content after encryption on a special site. We can see that the information is encrypted. Now at any time we can decrypt our data by clicking the Decrypt button. Now let's look inside. As we can see, all information is decrypted.
Thank you all for watching. Put likes. Goodbye.